South Asia and Middle East, divided politically in between Pakistan, Iran and Afghanistan. Historically, the secular and moderate Baloch nation has been marginalized. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you very much for this opportunity to speak on this significant subject. Mr. Chairman, 15 million Baloch people live on their historical homeland Balochistan, which is situated in between South Asia and Middle East, divided politically in between Pakistan, Iran and Afghanistan. Historically, the secular and moderate Baloch nation has been marginalized and discriminated against by the successive states in the region. Balochistan, being 44% of Pakistan's landmass, produces major share of gas, coal, copper, gold and uranium, but none of income is allocated to the people of Balochistan. Years of military operation, suppression and discriminatory policies have resulted in extreme underdevelopment of the region. According to UNDP's recent report, Balochistan and its districts were assessed to be the worst off in Pakistan. Infant mortality rate in Balochistan is 130 deaths per 1,000 live births, higher than many war-torn African countries. 63% population in Balochistan lives without electricity. 52% have no access to safe drinking water. 60% population suffers from absolute poverty. Baloch children have been kept deprived of all forms of contemporary education. Literacy rate is 16% in the region. The Urdu and Persian languages forced upon the indigenous Baloch people. Mr. Chairman, several reputable human rights bodies, including OHCHR's Working Group on Enforced or Involuntary Disappearances, in its February 6, 2009 report to the Human Rights Council, has raised its concern over hundreds of disappearances in Balochistan. We therefore appeal and urge to the Special Reporter to undertake a fact-finding mission to investigate the recent atrocities in Balochistan that includes military operation, indiscriminate use of force, displacements, disappearances, arrests, torture and endless executions of human rights defenders in Balochistan. Thank you very much.